In this tutorial, we will see that how you can make crew logo in Blox Fruits in just few steps. So let's dive in. So firstly, you have to open this Roblox, and here on the dashboard, you will find this create option. If you click on that, it will open this Roblox Studio. Now, you will be on home page. You have to click on this dashboard. Then you will see here this creations window. You will be on experiences. You have to click on this development items. In development items, it will show you some of more options like model and packages, plugins, audio, but you have to click on this decals, then upload asset, and here you will find this type of dashboard. Click on this upload to upload a logo that you can easily make on Canva or other editing software. So I will select my own, open, here it's showing now. You can also rename it if you want. Scroll down and click on upload. After uploading it, you have to click on this store option that's showing in dashboard. Then you will be on models. You have to click on this images and you can search for your image. I will search this crew. So let's suppose I will select this one and here it is. Then it will show you this get decal option. Click on this and you will find this notification that this item has been added to your inventory. Now open Roblox, and from Roblox on the left side you will find these three lines. If you tap on that, you will find here this inventory. Open it. In inventory you will find this category, and if you scroll down you will find here decals. Open it and then you will find your decals here. Let's suppose I will open this one. Then you have to copy this URL and simply paste in your Blox Fruits. Ctrl V to paste here in this logo link tab. After pasting it, it will show your logo here. So that's how you can make crew logo in Blox Fruits in just few steps.